Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. You have to start by open Peats audio application. Of course, your headphone should be connected with the app. It will open for you device list. You need to tap at your headphones here and then go to the equalizer at the middle bottom. So right here we have customize, and you need to click at the plus to create a preset. And now let's make something good here. Okay, so let's say that's okay for me. Click at the sound effect name and give it a name. Let's call it test. Then confirm and save. And right here, as you can see, we have this preset. You can create more than one preset. Let's say something like this one. If you do not give it a name, it will call it customize and some number. Now we can also remove some presets, so you can modify this preset if you click at the pencil icon near to it. You can remove this preset or reset it. So let's say you don't like what you made, you click at the reset button and you have it by default. You can also rename it or delete it by click at the trash icon and confirm. Now, if you want to use your first custom preset, you need to tap on it and you need to see this check mark. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!